Got the quad in the garage for a little bit, waiting on some parts. Figured I'd take this time to heat wrap the exhaust, try and keep some heat out of the engine compartment here, keep some heat off my legs while I'm riding. But since I gotta pull the exhaust apart anyways, I'd figure I'd make a video what it sounds like without a muffler, just straight piping it out, and see what it sounds like with no headers, just running exhaust straight out the port. We'll see how that goes here. I'm gonna start with just a factory exhaust, cold start. Pretty tame, what everyone's used to. Alrighty, got the muffler off. It was a little harder than I expected, but it's been on there for almost 2 years, so the rust is a little built up. We'll go for another start. Alrighty, got the headers off. This is probably going to be really loud, but let's see here. I'm not going to give that one any revs because I don't feel like roasting out the transmission, but some cool little flames. I'll try it again on the front side of the engine.